Hey, and welcome to our channel Ricky and Tricky, where we go to film other treasures and curiosity around. My colleague will tell you what we discovered today. Enjoy!
Thanks, Ricky. Today we are in Palermo visiting the old port called the Cala. The Cala, once a crucial hub for maritime activities, has undergone a remarkable transformation. Initially reclaimed to expand the water surface below, and more recently, a stunning restyling project has turned it into a captivating destination. Today, the Cala invites you to take a leisurely stroll amidst pleasure boats, fishing vessels, and elegant sailboats. Just a stone's throw away from the Cala lies the Castello, Mare, a fortress standing as a silent guardian, built to defend the citadel and its bustling port. Abandoned for years, this historical treasure has been lovingly restored to its former glory. As you explore the area, you'll be enchanted by the Castello Mare. A contemplative walk along its ancient walls offers a unique blend of sea breezes and the haunting beauty of the castle's ruins. With its roots tracing back to Arab foundations, the fortress was strengthened during the Norman era and evolved over the following centuries. Today, the Castello Mare stands as a testament to Palermo's enduring spirit, where the past harmoniously coexists with the present. A journey through these historic grounds allows you to immerse yourself in the layers of history, from its Arab origins to the Norman influences and beyond. In the description, you will find useful links and offers dedicated to you. If you have any doubts or questions, write a comment below and you will get an answer. Help us grow by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you and see you at the next video.